stomachs, there's a lot of stomachs. They're different colors. We catch the blue one last time. The blue stomach. And it was gray on the top. There's birds out there and they're making some music. I think they're fighting. This one's so tiny with a pimple. There's a rabbit over there. Yeah, right there. Do you see it? Go closer. Zoom. I'm gonna try to get my own book. It's a gray rabbit. Oh, it's hopping. Getting this rock out because there's less lizards.
You think there is a lizard?
Yeah. Or not. I think there's something tiny that it's making me stop. Okay. It's a duck. It's a duck.
Oh, you didn't find any? Okay. Next time. What's that?
The bugs are eating it. I don't know what it is. It's got green bugs. They're so shiny. I see two shiny ones.
It's a shiny
one's
ball,
right there,
man.
one's right there. There's three now. No, that's they're chasing us. They're stinky. I think that's the tree.
It's a fire
ant. And when you look close, it's yellow.
What's that, Ruben? You find a lizard? You couldn't get it?
No.
It's okay. Next time.
This is the type of rock. There's a blue one. Put it here. Okay.
What's that, Ruben?
Blue egg. No way. I never saw it before.
What's
Me
that
too.
blue egg for?
This is an American robin from a blue egg. The American robin has an orange stomach. First fun fact, it loves eating worms. Second fun fact, it loves taking showers. Third fun fact, she can have 15 babies in one season. The egg broke. It's orange liquid.
Show it to me.
Here.
Oh.
Wrapped it. Piece. Ew. Doesn't show this piece. house.
What's that?
It's an ant's house. I see the hole in the bed. Yeah, right there. One went in.
Someone went in.
Two went in.
That's their house.
I think they're hiding their food in it. Yeah.
What's that, Ruben?
It's a red ant too. One right there. One right there. And Daddy there. There's so much red ant. I think he wants out. That was fast. I saw it. Oh, right, Mommy.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that ant. It's
Look at
carrying
this.
something.
Look at this, Ruben.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Look at that ant. It's holding it. They're doing teamwork. They're going to be so
Oh, they're doing teamwork?
team.
Look at that, Ruben.
They're so teamwork. What's the ant holding?
Food?
I'm putting food in it. Here. There's an ant on me. Look right there. This is a high branch. Whoa. It's going so fast. Oh, rattles. Do you hear the rattle, Ryan? Yeah. Look at the feather has blue on it. It's like the Karen McQueen. What? The feather has the blue stuff. Yeah, like right there. The blue feather. Whoa. I think this is from a hawk. And I saw that butterfly and I was singing cuckoo clock, cuckoo clock, cuckoo clock, cuckoo clock. We found the bench, finally! It was a long walk. Like in 2 years it's gonna be nighttime. Yeah, now we're gonna go eat our breakfast. Let's do this anyway.
Yeah, that's a nice place to have breakfast.
Daddy, can you help me?
How's the breakfast, Ryan?
Good.
After a long walk, huh?
Now we're enjoying our snack.
Very good.
It's a gopher house. The leaves inside with dirt. Yeah. And maybe they're all connected to each other. Yeah, that one goes there, and then that one goes there, and then that one goes there, and then that one goes there. That one goes there, that one goes there, that one goes there, that one goes there, and here. Oh, yeah. That one goes there, that one goes there.
That's the living room. Maybe the other one is the kitchen.
And that one goes there, that one goes there, that one goes there.
That's his bedroom.
This is a blue feather. These are blue feathers. Look behind, there's gray. Look, they're so beautiful.
Yeah, this one's like the McQueen, the car. It's so fast that it's like the color of the car.
Wow,
And-
they're beautiful.
And this, I think this one's the dad and this is the baby.
Oh, that one
gonna
is for
keep
the
it.
baby because it's smaller.
Yeah.
You said, what's the name of the bird?
American Robin.
Oh, American Robin. Look at that.
Food. They're giving food to the babies. Where are the eggs?
They have a baby up there.
Yeah.
They're feeding the baby.
Where are the eggs? Where are the eggs?
Their eggs are up there.
The ant hill with hole in it. And they're making this one with soil around, and there is an ant hill. Man, what away. We had to lizard again.
Okay.
I found the lizard. Let's see if I catch it.
Did you catch it?
No. Oh man.
Aww.
It was too fast. It was running.
Yeah, they're very fast.
I know.
Next time.
A mouse? He catch the mouse. He catch the mouse. Get. Yes. Get the cat.
Baby.
He's still alive. Come on, put the cap here. I'm gonna open it and you're gonna catch it. Yeah. Did it escape? We got the mouse.
You got a mouse?
Yeah.
Baby mouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's here.
Where?
You got a baby mouse. It's here. It's here. Here.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Yeah. I can't. The mouse was fast. Look at it. Mousey. We catch the baby mouse. It looks so cute. Yeah. I think it's eating something. It has whiskers. I see its whiskers. I think it's sleeping. The whiskers are right there. Comment down below what mouse eat. Yeah, and they're so cute, this baby mouse. We're gonna let him go.
Gonna let him go to his family?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice, mousey.
Do you see his whiskers? Go to your mama.
Go to your mommy. Go to your mommy. Have a good day.
Just throw away. We can take away mouses and the green. Is there? Those are only things. It's gonna die. There's rattles. Time.
crying, Ruben? You miss your mousey? Now you want to catch the lizard? He's so fast.
Purple.
They're very pretty.
And there's bees on it.
Yeah.
We found that lizard. Yeah, and it was dead right here. Yeah. With the blue stomach. Let me flip it.
Oh, it has a blue stomach?
With yellow on it and green.
Oh, you finally find your lizard. But it's dead? You put it here?
The head is like metal. The belly's so beautiful.
It is.
And this was so special. This was the best thing we found. It was the blue egg. It was a baby. And it was so blue, and I think it was gonna crack at the bottom because there was a black. Yeah, and we saw a bunch of lizards, and the lizards were so fast, and the blue egg is so special. Yeah, and then Ryan cracked it. The lizards went so fast, like zoom, and they were like. And we saw some rattle we were hearing, and we saw a lot of butterflies and fire ants, and we saw ant lions. Yeah, on the ground there were like this house with a hole in it, and there was yellow around it to they put their food in. Yeah. We got it. We unfortunately didn't get any lizards, but we caught a dead lizard with a blue stomach. Yeah, and look at that tree. I think it got damaged from the storm. Look at that tree. It's like. Yeah, and it's black. And we had a fun hiking. The food tastes so yummy. It was so good, and it was so good. We had so much fun. I was the fly protector at the table. I was shooting the slugs away, and then I got some energy. And we saw hawks up the sky. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you.